Welcome to the AuraAir Business Dashboard tutorial, the tool that enables managing, tracking, and controlling multiple devices in one place. By providing real-time indoor and outdoor air quality insights, the dashboard presents precise air quality data collected by your AuraAir devices in your space. The first step in setting up your business dashboard is creating an account. You can do so with this URL. Click Sign Up. Enter an email address and password, and don't forget to click the verification link in your inbox. If you don't see the link, make sure to check your spam or promotions folder. Now that your account has been set up, let's arrange a few things before we go about installing and pairing the AuraAir devices. The first thing we'll do is add a location. Click the Locations icon on the main menu. Click Add New Locations, enter the location details, and click Done. Step 2. Create floors. The Floors section is a tool to help keep track and manage a large number of devices. This will be useful when you need to perform maintenance tasks on devices such as Prefilter cleaning or ray filter replacement. You will know to do so by floors or groups. Click the floor icon on the main menu. Click Add Floor. Enter a floor name or number. Choose a location. Choose a Prefilter cleaning day notification from the drop-down menu. This will help us notify you when it's time to clean the Prefilter. And click Done. Step 3. Create groups. This section is also to assist in organizing and managing your devices. Click the group icon on the main menu. Click Add a Group. Enter a group name, for example, conference rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, suites, etc. And click Done. Lastly, Step 4. Assign user roles. Aura defines a number of user roles that are key to managing your devices efficiently and effortlessly. Add a user to a specific location, assign their role, and enjoy the fresh air. Click the Users icon from the main menu, click Add User, enter a name and email. Once you're done, click Add User. In the menu bar, click Location. Under the selected location, click Manage. Select their role from the drop-down menu. Admin, viewer, or technician, and click Add. They will receive a welcome email with login details to the dashboard. You are all set up and ready to use the dashboard. In this next section, we will discuss how to view an AuraAir device on the dashboard. Don't forget to download the Aura Business app. With the app, you can pair the devices to Wi-Fi. Once that is done, the devices will show up on your dashboard. Now that your AuraAir devices are displayed on the dashboard, what's next? Let's go over and discuss the main features so that you can take full advantage of the dashboard. This is the main page of the dashboard. The main page is an overview of each location, which can be selected and changed in this drop-down menu. Each location presents the outdoor air quality, which is location-based, real-time, weather forecast, AQI, and pollen levels at your display. A list of the existing devices can be found in this location here, with the ability to see which of these is connected to Wi-Fi and what the AQI in each device looks like. Next, a graph presenting the data collected by each device for the past 24 hours, week, or month, organized by parameters, such as VOCs, PM2.5, humidity, CO, and more. Select from the drop-down menu the parameter you would like to see and for which time frame, and enjoy the graph. Lastly, the Alerts and Maintenance Dashboard, which presents information according to your assigned rules, alerts, and maintenance notifications organized by priority and date. We'll get to that in a bit. Did you know that you can export reports? Download your most valuable data into Excel reports through the Reports tab here. Use these reports at your convenience to monitor, maintain, and keep track of maintenance tasks, as well as monitor their retroactive behavior, sensor measurements, and trends of improvement. Lastly, device modes of operation, found under the Floors tab. Changing the device modes allows you complete control over your AuraAir device. Change up the intensity of purification by selecting the mode that best suits your mood or space. Click Floors, Click Edit under a specific floor. Under Auto Mode, select the preferred device mode. Let's go over the modes. Auto Mode, the default mode Aura comes in. In Auto Mode, Aura will purify and disinfect the air according to the air quality in your space. Allow Aura sensors to identify the necessary mode of action. Be sure Aura always knows what's best for your air. High Mode accommodates the device to an environment that demands maximum air purification. Aura will work in the highest RPM, and this will likely be in circumstances where there are many people in one conference room, where there's a lot of cooking or cleaning in the space. We usually recommend setting this device in similar environments to High Mode. Low Mode. Low Mode accommodates the device to an environment that demands minimum air purification and will lower the sound to a minimum. Lastly, we have Night Mode. Night Mode facilitates a quiet and purified sleep environment, reducing the sound to a minimum and turning the LED indication off for a darkened environment. Night Mode can be set according to a specific time frame of up to 12 hours, one set, or automatically enters the night mode each night. The last feature we will review today is the rules. You can create custom alerts to notify you the moment conditions in a certain space have moved outside of your target criteria. Click the rules icon on the main menu. Click Add Rule. Choose a name, a location, a floor and a group for your rule. Set a minimum and maximum for the parameters of your choice, or set the WELL standard. You can click Set WELL standards for predefined criteria by the WELL Building Standard, which establishes requirements in buildings that promote clean air and minimize the sources of indoor air pollution. We've reached our final section, User Profile. In the User Profile, you can edit your name, change the language of the dashboard, the temperature unit, and reset your password. Lastly, the support page. Our central priority is to provide all of the necessary information and support in order to facilitate a positive and effective user experience. This is why we created our Help Center, a place people can visit to find the answers they need about our products and platforms. Search a keyword and we will do the rest. We are always looking to improve our services and are happy to get your feedback. If you ever have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to reach out at support@auraair.io. Thank you for your time.